Hi, 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 hi. Do you miss this? I do. I do miss this. I miss this. I miss this kind of setup. So, a little update about myself and about everything. Today, I just had the urge again to oh shoot, to do things and creative shit because I mean, not really over the past few days. It feels like I really need to push myself to the limit. Not to the limit. I really need to push myself a little bit to achieve all the things that I really wanted to because as I keep telling myself na I know like I already done this and already done with this to-do list. Like though may extra time pa. For example, like for instance, ngayon I am doing like an art thingy. And just then mamayang gabi dapat I still have the time, but currently I don't have the energy, but I have the time. Then I should start doing na to push myself a little kasi yun yung problema ko eh. I just don't push myself to kasi like put an extra job. Like a little extra effort to do this kind of things. So ganun yung nagiging problema ko. And wala lang. But I assure it happens all the time. It happens every time na I will start doing it and after a few days I'll give up and then go back again, which is a very bad cycle. And I want to end it. Pero hindi ko talaga kinakaya. And it's really hard. And it's been a problem since like for almost 4 years now. 4 years of trying myself to be a better person. Hindi talaga. So if you should be really committed when it comes to those kind of things, if you want to make yourself better, you should really make a lot of effort and a big commitment to it. So this is again a start for me, which I'm not really happy about it. So yun lang, just a quick thing. Just push yourselves a little. Trisha, if you're watching this, push yourself a lot. I'm fucking going to kill you if you don't. Don't be lazy. Don't be on your phone. Don't be on your bed all the time. Don't watch Modern Family all the time. Okay? Just push yourself. Dito lang. Alam mo, tangina mo. Fuck you, Trisha. Just kidding. Don't. No, I'm just the only person who's just going to watch this. But fuck you, Trisha. Girl, at the end of 2024, dapat may monitor ka na. Okay? If wala ka pang monitor by the end of 2024, I am going to kill you from the past. Okay? Okay, just, wala lang. I just want to take a video. Bye.